Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168A Chinese shopping app. If you have been shipped import product from China using 168A Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to using 168A Chinese shopping app to source ship product from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and see new look and incredibly new features, a lot of upgrade going on right now on 168A Chinese shopping app, and I'm going to walk you through every new features and new update that you need to know about shop and ship product from China using 168A Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Now from the look of the thing right here. So once you click on the app link, it's going to load up right here. Now here, if you have not updated the 1688 app, you will need to update to the latest version before you have access to some of these new features. And for you to update the app, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can update the app. So let's go ahead and check one of the first features as far as new update is concerned on 168A. So if I click on my profile icon right here, it's taking me to my dashboard. Then from my dashboard right here, you can see fresh new look of everything right here. Okay, now from your own end, if you don't have this new look right here, it means that you have not updated your app. And let's see how you can easily update the app to the latest version. Then you have access to some of this fresh new look right here. And for you to update the app, go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top corner right here. So click on here and it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and then here, this is the update version right here. So at the time of making this video, the updated version is 11.75.0.0. So if you don't have this version, it means that you are missing out a lot of feature. And for you to update to this particular version, simply click on here. So you can see I'm already in the latest version. But from your own end, you'll be asked to download the latest version of 11.75.0.0. Once you download the latest version, install it, and you have access to some of these new features right here. So let's go back to the home page right here. Now you have the new look right here from your dashboard. Then you have every items right here, one after the other from the section right here, such as your coupon right here, your buy now and pay later right here, your plus member right here, your customer support contact right here, the store you follow right here, and your shipping address right here. They have rearranged some of these things right here in order to make it very more easy and accessible. Okay, now if you click on this particular point right here, so this will allow you to see some of the old fashion of 168A Chinese shopping app. Should in case if you are not comfortable with the home page of the current new fashion, you can easily switch to the old fashion right here. So for you to switch to the old version, simply click on here and you have access to old version. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm good with the latest version of this particular app. So I'm going to click on here to close up this particular app. So this is one of the incredible features as far as new 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned. Now let's take a look at another features right here. Let's say for instance, I'm going to click on this product link right here, or we can go ahead, go to the home page right here. So from the home page right here, we have some icons right here that have been redesigned and resized, just like what you see right here. Now from the home page right here, let's say for instance, I want to contact a particular store. So we click on the product link as a normal way. So I'm going to click on this particular product link as an example. So I click on the product link, it's looked up right here. Click on here to proceed to the sales page of the store. Now, on getting to a store page right here, there are a lot of new features right here that has been added by 1688, and some of the features have been rearranged while some have been added. One of these features that has been rearranged is the cart right here. Now you have your cart from the bottom right here. So when you add any product to cart, you get it from the bottom right here instead of going to the top and have access to your cart. So this is a new incredible feature that has been rearranged by 168A. Another one right here is your favorite tab. So ever before now, favorite tab was the one that was here. Now they have relocated the favorite tab to the top right here. So you have your favorite tab from the top right now as far as new update and rearrange is concerned on 168A Chinese shopping app. And this is incredibly from the sales page of the store. However, the very last update I want to show you right here as far as new updates in 1688 is concerned is that when you go ahead and click on supplier store. So if I click on this particular store right here, that's going to take us to detail about the store. Now, when you get to the store, should in case you want to do offline verification of a particular store from 1688, it is now possible and very easy for you to locate any factory address location offline in China. What you need to do is to come to their store on 1688. Once you get to their store, come to the top right here, click on here. This will allow you to have access to their factory direct address. Then you have the map right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and use this particular map if you are eventually in China or you want to send it to your freight forwarder or your inspection officer to go and confirm the existence of the factory offline from 1688 to their offline office address in China. So what you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here to share this particular location. So when you click on here, so you can easily share this particular location to anybody that you want them to do offline verification for you. Okay, you can share it to anybody on WeChat, or you can easily copy the link of that particular store location and send it to anybody that wants to help you to do offline verification of a particular store in 1688. This is very much important, especially if you are buying in a huge quantity item from a particular store. This will give you a kind of rest of mind that the store you are dealing with, they are fully legit, and then you are not dealing with a wrong store. It's that simple. So you can see everything is loaded up right here. So if you want to share, you can share. You can easily translate this particular point right here. So just like what you see right here. So here you can see everything right here. So this is an instruction, and you will need to install Chinese app before you can have access to this particular options right here. What you need to do is to simply click on here to install the app. Then from there you can easily share or access the location of that particular factory. Is that incredible feature? For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use 1688 Chinese shopping app to ship source products from China, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to put your link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.